All right, this is the 1967 Camaro. You got Foose rims on it, Willwood four-wheel disc. You also got a big block 396 in here, chrome, everything on it is just beautiful. This is a badass car. Grab it once. That's a cam in there, I like that. Electric choke, this thing starts like amazing. Definitely a really nice car here. One more rev.